Hello everyone! I'm your balloon twister today. I'm Cindy from Popalloon. I'm going to teach you Angry Bird today.
You need a scissors, hand pump, 2 6 long balloons, red, white, yellow, and a marker pen. Okay, now we start from 2 6 0 red. 1 2 3 4. Tie it up. And 2 6 0 white. Tie up again. Tie it together. Alright, now make your finger thumb size and twist from here. Use your 2 fingers and make a bubble twist. Ear twist, press, and twist again. Then it will become L shape. Now, press and twist another big bubble. Make sure they are same length. Now we twist another bubble. Make sure the length is same. Then you have an ear twist right here and just roll it around. Another one. Okay, it looks like this. Now we do another twist with 2 fingers. Press and twist. Now this is the head part. Make another 2 finger bubbles. Make another bubble 3 fingers or 4 fingers length. Twist again and press and twist. Hold this back, press it with your thumb. When you press it, it's easier to twist. Okay, we are almost there. Now I'm making the eyes. Make 2 fingers bubbles, another 2 finger bubbles. Then roll it in. Okay, we are done. Tear and tie it up. Hide it somewhere so you won't see it. Now we are going to do the mouth. Left and right, not tie it together. Now we do the tail.